Mm-mm. 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 How do I name him? I was playing a little bit ago, and Okay, I guess I'm... we're just doing this now. Yeah. Points. I am not used to these controls yet, so... Get weapon to the face. How about I hit you with... Oh, he kicked it out of the air. What a jerk. Would you like a weapon to the face? This blows my day. You can't say that on Twitch. You cannot say that on Twitch. That's TOS. Trash pickup. Let's see if I can do this thing. No, he's not close enough. Wow! You little bastard. See, I'm actually trying to throw this thing. Oh, it's kick. Yes, stay right there. Watch this. Let's go for a little ride. Whee! He says it hurts. I don't think that actually hurts. I just throw some kicks. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at me. I'm so cool. I kicked the can. So cool. It was not as painful as it sounds. I didn't mean to throw that. I took throw damage though from his thingy. Okay. I regret that. I took damage from his thingy. Alright, let's keep going. I will, if there's phone calls, I will handle them as they come. That was genius. I'm a freaking genius. Can you believe it, everybody? Oh, I'm in town. It's a little bit more readable. I think I threw a punch, and it made the punch sound, but... Okay, I'm eating tea on accident. That's what pushing the wrong button does to you. I should get, like, stone hands or dragon feet, but I'm gonna be stupid and buy Acro Circus. Or I won't, because I'm pushing the wrong damn button. Acro Circus. Give to Butthead. My whole 60 cents. I'm freaking rich, everybody. I'm freaking rich and you can't stop me. I got the Acro Circus, I'm going to hit you with it. Don't sing. Everyone hates it when you sing. Just don't do it. It's not a good time. No one likes hearing it. Woo! Oh, I can't. I have to be running? That's even worse. I don't like people who throw things. No! Damn it. You guys are bastards. Stop blocking. Stop blocking. Okay. Let's see if I can do this good old technique. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it worked. You don't throw, but I'll throw things and randomly open up to see how much money I have. Oh no, it's a boss. Why is it a boss? I'm not ready for a boss. Oh, he's not even here. Okay, that's okay. We live today. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's not great. I hate you. Just give me all your money and leave, please. Oh gosh, darn it. Now I gotta eat some things and I've got the worst move in the whole game. What, I can't even tell what this is gonna do for my health. I would like that. I'm gonna eat the whole damn thing. Defense up, stamina up, power up. Oh hey, give me more of that. Give me more of that shiz. I'm gonna eat the whole cup. I hope that's okay. Did it just go in and make... No, I actually ate it. It's okay. Eating things is good for you. Or so I've heard. So, here we go. Yeah! Look at that. I got hops now. All that centrifugal force forces me higher into the air. I bet there's a boss in here. No, it's not. No! Ow! My butt. I hate it. Oh! I wish I could, like, whip him. Like it was a wrestling game. I want to... Okay. I want to... Okay. Throw him. into the side. Gosh darn, why am I taking hits from everybody? Because incredibly stupid smooth brain just likes doing things that way. Hoi! I wanted to do the circuit. No one saw that. No one's here. No one can see that. It never happened. No one even likes looking at it. I did helicopter kick. Ow! No, 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 no. I don't accept what you're doing to my face right now. Nope. It's not good. Here, have your friend. Yeah. That was nasty. That's kind of brutal. I just want to have some hot chocolate. You guys are ruining it. I should probably leave, but I'm being stupid. I'm just gonna... Oh, okay. How you feel about that? Give me all your monies. I'm not so sure I'm not the bully in this case. I'm just beating these guys up for money. Is it River City Bully? Bullying everybody in the city? Kind of feels like it. Get more messages on my phone too. I'll just randomly leave because I'm a dumbass. And I don't know how to control games. Eat the cup. Eat the cup. That's where all the stamina actually comes from. It's not actually from the hot cocoa. It's from the protein from eating what I assume is a ceramic cup. I have the stomach of a 49-year-old. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. There should be like another counter in here. Let's be honest. I'm just gonna put random shiz. I said I have the stomach of a 49-year-old. You spelled wrong. Yeah, that's exactly how I said it. When I said it wrong. I spelled it wrong. Who wants to hit me with stuff? Come and get me, you idiots. Stole your thingy. I'm regretting that. It's thingy day. Apparently that's what I want to talk about. It's just people's things. Are you cool with that? Is it cool if I just talk about people and their thingies? How I'm stealing it? Stole his thingy. Oh, I can't count either. Did you ever notice that? I'm like barely literate in stream most of the time. Yeah, I threw that. I can't even play video games correctly. Oh, you frick with the box and then you run like you're an idiot. I think I could... Boom! My favorite. I'm gonna kick his ass like this. Okay, I'll kick my ass like this and then I'll fall down because I'm a giant frickin' idiot. He's kicking my ass. No, don't let him kill you. I died. Damn it. I should probably have a death counter too. I don't need my death to look that big. Can we make it tiny, like in the corner? We'll just hide my shame like that. Yeah. We'll just hide it in a corner like that. It's cool. I'm hiding my death in a corner, okay, everybody? Okay, come on out. Who wants to pound me? Okay, I sort of regret that. But it is part of Shiznits. It's part of Shiznits. It's part of Home Alone. Hey Buzz, here I am. Come out and pound me. It still sounds bad. I'm regretting that they ever wrote it that way. With the question mark at the end, not the period. It's more of a statement if I put the period on the end. Uh-oh. I can't see anything. That's what happens when you're incredibly stupid and you're trying to stream. No, you can't throw things at me and I don't like it. That's not what I ordered, sir. It's boss time. How you like this Suddenly I'm remembering this guy's name is Moose. I'm gonna throw your ass around like it's... Man, he punches fast. He punches fast. And then he killed me. Because sadness fills my heart and I died like a freaking idiot. And then I dropped my controller and everything's just bad. Everything's just bad. How are you? How's it going? Are you liking your Friday? Is it good? Do you enjoy watching an idiot play video games and not knowing how to use OBS because you can't open up the damn thing? Where is my chat screen? Because this game is incredibly popular and everybody wants to come watch it. I'm pretty sure you do. Ah! Give me all your money, so I need to have more hot chocolate. Okay. You know, hey, that's not how this game is supposed to go. I'm not supposed to be on your shoulders like that. Like I'm being carried to a tub of hot water and you're gonna eat me. Are these people cannibals? They could be. Take my circus. Ow. I don't know how much health I have. I'm panic pushing buttons, I guess. Is that enjoyable gameplay for everyone to see? Okay. Now I see how much health I have, and I'm probably gonna die anytime soon. Why can't I operate a video game? It's not that hard. There we go. Yeah, we'll go. We want to have lunch together? I just eat. I just eat. I just eat. That's it. That's all I'm made of. I'm just made of eat. It's not grammatically correct, but that's all I know. It's just eat. Obviously, because I'm eating the whole teacup. All I am is eat, no matter what. Don't do that. That sounds terrible. It's a terrible thing that you did. I don't know if I would call that drinking. I just realized it said I was drinking it. I don't think that's technically drinking anything. I think that's being a disgusting pig that has the stomach of a 49-year-old. It's so stupid. Why do I even stream? It's ridiculous. No one watches this. No one wants to see an idiot playing old video games and punching and kicking people. They want to see old people punching teens with sticks. I read a survey that said that, so that's just how things are. You think that's acceptable? Can we all agree that this is what the youth of today want? It's just old people punching people with sticks? I'm realizing as I'm talking how ridiculous that is. Okay. I was like, that doesn't make any sense. You know what? Punching me and taking off like 3 bars is not cool. Did that just spin its way into non-existence? What the frick was that? No, that's... How come the running and hitting me is like 3 bars, but if they hit me with the whip... Not that I'm complaining, it's only 1 bar, but... Running and hitting people needs to be nerfed, bro. Running and hitting people is OP, and I bounce off the wall. Like, wait, what are you doing? You playing tag with yourself? Or are you running the ropes? Is this wrestling school? Guys, it's okay. Oh, crap. How many did that take off? I wasn't even looking that time. I'd like looked at chat, and he punched me in the face while I was looking at chat, which is very rude to do. All of you were very rude, and I don't like it. I don't like people who kill me. Okay. It's so wise that it needs to be immortalized on the screen. And of course it's not labeled, so I'll label it now, because, again, idiot on stream. Random, that's what we'll call it. What did the frick I just say? I don't... You know what? I said something, but now I don't remember it, because I'm dumb. Dumb! I would like that. Put it in my mouth. Let me swish it around. ceramic only can bust open car windows, apparently, to, if you play the Telltale Walking Dead, you would know that. And boogieing like this, so yeah, I will talk to y'all later. I'll probably stream this again because I'm having a really good time, so I appreciate no one for being here. I appreciate myself for talking to myself for 24 minutes like a psychopath. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go. Alright, bye.